Cause I got a really big team, and they need some really big rings. They need some really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. We need some really.
What's good? We run 2K Legend, part of the We Run 2K squad. You know what it do. And tonight I got a Throwback Thursday MyTeam pack opening. Should be a treat. I did 2 of these, so right after this video is gonna be another one. So let's just get right into the packs. First pack of the night. Let's see what we get. We got a gold, silver. Okay, we got 3 silvers and a gold. Let's see. Gold, come on, gold player, and okay, Jordan Adams. I'm keeping all these players though. I'm not gonna be selling these unless if I get a bunch of duplicates. So second pack, we got a gold, silver, gold. Okay, we got 3 golds and 2 silvers. Let me get these golds and nope, did not. Okay, Throwback Thursday Ray Allen. That's decent. Need some 3-point shooters on this team. Third pack. Silver, gold, silver. Okay, same predicament. Please be a gold player. Yes, player. Okay, David Lee, Throwback Thursday. I will take that. I need play. Oh, let's go. I got my court. Let's go. Okay, but it's fourth pack. Silver. Okay, let me just flip all. Bismack Biombo. Next pack. Silver, gold. Okay. Luke Babbitt, really? Gold, silver. Okay, again with this 2K. Please be a gold player. Let's go. Tim Dunk. That was an extremely good pull. Next pack. Please give us someone good. Gold, silver. Okay, 1 gold. Let me flip this card. Raymond Felton, Throwback Thursday. I'm good with all these Throwback Thursday cards unless they're just complete trash. Oh, I'll take that uniform. I got my logo and my uniform in this one video. All right, back to the back. Silver, gold, silver. Okay, 1 gold.
Cause I got a really big team, and they need some really big rings.
Let's go.
They need some really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. We need some really nice things. We need some really big rings. I got a really big team.
Let's go to the next one. The next pack opening. This next pack opening I have here is another Throwback Thursday pack opening. I thought this was a VIP pack opening at first, but never mind. Let's just get this Throwback Thursday pack. 3K opening here. Let's get it. Silver. Also, Throwback Thursday card. No, Jordan. Alright, let's see who I get in this next Throwback Thursday. I want that Throwback Ruby. Silver, gold. Okay. If I don't get a gold player here, I'm gonna be okay. Gold. I'll take that. Gordon Hayward. I'll take that. I will take Gordon Hayward. Oh, let's go. I think that's the last player I need for my Marine and stuff. All right, second pack. Third pack. Silver, gold, and Trey Burke. The troll point guard for the Utah Jazz. Let's just get on with this next pack. Silver, bronze, gold, silver. Rajon. Turtle name Franklin Rondo. Alright. After this pack opening, I will be showing you my new team and with the players I got in my last pack opening. Yeah, but as I said, I'm gonna basically be showing you my entire lineup with all my players in my Throwback Thursday pack openings. So let's just get on with this, and after the video, I will show you my list. Let's get a gold, silver, gold. Okay, we got 2 golds. Come on, 2K. Great. Okay, this is freaking ridiculous. Another one of these cards. I'll take one of them, but Raymond Felt and Throwback, I'm not going to keep like 11 of these cards. Silver, gold. Okay, that's a good pull. I needed some defensive big men on this team. And I get that gold coach. Let's go. Let's go. Serge Ibaka. Defensive monster. He's the only person to dunk behind the free throw line. He dunked farther than Michael Jordan and Dr. J combined. Silver, bronze, silver. Okay, this is a crap pack. Andre Turnover Miller. Jesus freaking Christ. Alright. And that was my last pack. I will be showing you my brand new team. Let me just add some of the players I got in this before. Let me put let me put Rondo there. I'll put Felton there. So that's my that's my new lineup. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this pack opening. I'll be doing more in the future. Thanks for watching.